Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can add a new field in your Airtable. So in this page I have these 5 fields: task field, text fields, category, collaborators, amount paid. Actually I have 6 fields, time credit as well. And I would like to add a new field for email to enter emails, different emails. To do so, you have to just press this button, which is used to add field. Then you can name your field. Since I want to add email field, I'm going to name it email. Then you have to scroll down and you have to search for the specific field you're looking for. So in my case, I'm looking for email. Select email and press create field. Now the email field has been created. Here you can enter different emails as you like. So this is how you create a field, and you can enter data in this field. So this is how you create a new field in Airtable. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.